Ooh, I caught one. Ooh, severe thunderstorm warning. Hey, Dad. I caught one. Look. Look. It's on camera. Look, it's blinking red. That means it's a warning.
Okay, cool. You got it on camera?
Yep.
Until 8:30 p.m. At
Yeah.
8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Camden, moving east at 10 miles an hour.
I caught one.
60 miles an hour.
I might send this to Grandma and Grandpa.
Source: radar indicated.
Oh yes.
Minor hail damage to vehicles.
I was getting ready, and then I heard the radio go off the little ring, and then I heard the EIS tones.
Middletown, Monroe,
Yeah,
South Middletown.
yeah. I'm gonna wait till it's over so I can hear the complete thing. Ah!
Dartown, Germantown.
I love how it's programmed to actually center the warning text. That's so cool.
Jacksonburg, Collinsville, Post Town Heights, and Wheatville. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Southwest Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers and thunder.
Oh, another one already? Oh. They just issued one. What the heck? What? They just issued one. That doesn't make sense.
National Weather
What?
Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Oh, I think that's for another area.
County, northwestern Hamilton County.
Hey, Dad, they caught another one.
Until 9 p.m.
Oh, it's for a different area, though, so that's probably why. My same code relates to that area.
Moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Well, I was able to catch the same tones this
Minor
time.
hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
I'm just trying to get my teeth.
Locations impacted include Hamilton.
Can I not be bombarded with
Forest Park,
tones?
Harrison,
Please.
Bright, Ross, 7
Okay,
Miles,
nothing more
Beaver
interesting,
Creek,
probably.
Dry Ridge, Blue Jay,
But we're gonna
Milwaukee,
wait until it
Coleraine
ends.
Township, Dartown, Green Hills, Logan,
And we wait.
Riley, New Haven, and New Miami. This includes the following interstates: I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 158 and
Yeah, this is a radio my
171.
grandpa got me, and I actually got it to receive
I-74 in Ohio
NOAA
between
weather
mile
stuff, so
markers
that's
0 and 6.
nice.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Preble County, northeastern Butler County, southwestern Montgomery